In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know on how to make an image transparent in Canva. Let's jump on in. First of all, let's suppose you have an image like this here, that you either imported into Canva or took from Canva's Photos or Elements library. For an image like this, to make sure that it is transparent when you export it from Canva, when you click on Share in the upper right corner of the screen and then click on Download, you would simply need to make sure that the option Transparent Background here is ticked. Please note that the transparent background option here is a Canva Pro feature. So this means you need to be on a Canva Pro plan in order to export images with a transparent background. If you're not on a Canva Pro plan, please watch till the end of this video where I'm going to recommend you some free tools that can help you to get the job done in this case. Of course, you also need to make sure that the correct page here is selected, and once that is the case, when you click on download, once downloaded, your image will indeed be transparent. But now let's have a look at another example where we actually do have a background, and in this second case we do have a background with a solid color that we have set within Canva. Now in this second case right here, if you would like to export this cat without any background, you would actually have to delete your background. In this case here, this is very easy, because this is just a solid background that we have actually chosen here on the left side from the backgrounds panel. And to delete that background, all we need to do is to click on it and then press delete on our keyboard. And now to export our cat with transparency, it would actually work in the exact same way as in our first example right here, which means you would just have to make sure that page 2 here is selected, then you click on share in the upper right corner of the screen, then below click on download, and then make sure that the option transparent background here is selected. And once you've done that, under select pages, make sure that the correct page is selected. And once you've done that, when you click on download, your image will be downloaded with transparency. Now let us have a look at a third example right here. In this case, we simply have a logo here. This could be a logo that you uploaded to Canva, or it could be a logo that you directly found within Canva here under the Elements tab on the left side. Logos are almost always something that we would like to have with a transparent background, of course. So here as well, if you simply have a logo like that and the original logo doesn't have any background at all, and you also didn't set any background here within Canva, so the background here simply appears as white, right? Then in that case, to export this logo with a transparent background, just click on share in the upper right corner of the screen, then click on download. Make sure the file type is PNG, make sure that transparent background is ticked, select the correct page, and then just click on download. Now, in our final example, we actually have an image of a girl that comes with a background. Whenever this is the case, our background here is obviously merged with the image. So to make sure that this image with the girl is actually transparent, we would need to make sure to remove the background first. And this is also something that you can easily do in Canva. However, here as well, a Canva Pro subscription is needed. But in case you do have Canva Pro, then simply left click on your image, then on top go to Edit Photo, and under Magic Studio right here, click on the background remover. This will remove the background of your image within seconds. Once you've done that, we pretty much have the same scenario as we had here with our first image. So now to export it without any background, all you need to do is to click on share in the upper right corner of the screen, then click on download, make sure the file type is PNG, tick the option transparent background, select the page where this image is on. In this case, this would be page 4, so we are going to select page 4 right here. We click on done, and once we click on download here, our image will be downloaded with a transparent background. Now last but not least, as I promised, if you don't have a Canva Pro subscription, here are some free options for you to use to make an image transparent. First of all, we have remove.pg here. This is a free website that you can use to remove the background of an image and therefore make it transparent. So the URL is remove.pg, and once you're there, all you need to do is to click on upload image, then locate the image on your computer and upload it, and you can then immediately remove the background of that image completely for free. If you would like to have the image in high resolution, then you can still do that, but you would need to sign up for a free account first. If you don't need the best quality, then you don't even need to sign up. Now, if you would like to have a more professional software to get this job done for you completely for free, then I highly recommend you to download and use the software called GIMP. This software is actually available for both Mac and PC. So to get this software, all you need to do is to go to gimp.org, and once you're there, simply click on download right here. And with this free software, you can also remove the backgrounds of any image completely for free. And in this case right here, also without loss of quality. If you need a tutorial on how to remove the background of an image with GIMP, then please search for that on YouTube. There are many good tutorials that will show you how to do that. Also, I'm planning to do an extra video for you guys on that topic as well. Once I did that, I will add it to the description of this video so that you can easily access it. And that's it, guys. This is actually all you need to know about how to make an image transparent in Canva. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash the like button and subscribe for more Canva tutorials.